Welcome to this video, guys. In this video we will be modeling this support and the shaft, and these will be used in our upcoming assembly, drawing and exploded view tutorials as well. So I want you to save these files as well. Open a part file and here change the background to plain white, and here make sure that you have selected mmgs, millimeter, gram, seconds as units. Now select this front plane and select this very first option, that is sketch, and drop down this menu, and from here select this midpoint line and make a line like this. It will be in both directions, that's why it is called as midpoint line. Now select this line and make relation as horizontal. Now in terms of relation, this is fully defined, but it has to be defined in terms of dimensions. So select smart dimensioning tool and here specify the length of this line, that is 70 millimeter. Now it's defined, and now select the line again and make an inclined line like this. Now press the escape button. Select the smart dimensioning tool. From this point to this line we need to specify the height of this inclined line, and that is 72 millimeter. Select this line and here specify the angle between these lines as 75 degree. Now I want to make the same line here. We have two options here. One is the same thing that we have done, make a line and specify the dimensions, but there is another way. Let me delete it first. I have explained you how to mirror entities in my previous tutorial, so let me explain it here and let me apply it here. This is center line. Make sure that this is vertical by assigning this vertical relation. Now select this mirror entities, and in this entities to mirror just delete if anything is selected. I want this inclined line to be selected here and mirror about this reference center line. Here we go. Just check this box from here. Now select the line and make this horizontal line to complete the sketch, and as you can see the sketch has turned into gray one. That means that now it's able to be extruded. So select extruded boss base, and let me show you one thing. This black line, this is basically the sketch. I want the material on both sides. Material is the yellow colored material. I want the material from the on the both side, and we can use this mid plane for that purpose. I will explain you why we use this mid plane and why it is like this. So simply check this box from here and let me apply some appearance before moving any further. This is, by the way, optional. Okay, and now I want the plane to be here, and this is the front plane, which is now cutting this part into two halves. And this is the benefit of using the mid plane. You will slowly learn these things, blind and mid plane. Now select this circle and make here a circle up to the corner and make another circle here. Now select the smart dimensioning tool, select these two circles, and the distance between them is 2 millimeter. I'm assigning the distance between these two circles by selecting them. Now select extruded boss base, and we have this midpoint selected, and let me assign the dimensions first, 15 millimeter. And if I select this blind from here, this will be extruded in only this dimension, but I want it to be extruded in both directions, so that's why we use this mid plane. Now this internal material is extra, so I want to cut it. Select this and click on sketch. Select a line from this corner to this corner, make a line, press escape button. Now drop down this menu and select 3-point arc from here, 1 point, 2nd point and 3rd point, anywhere in the space. Now hold the control button, hold the control key from your keyboard, select this midpoint and this arc and select this relation. This is coincident relation, and this is the benefit of using these relations. So now select extruded cut, and since we want through all, so specify here through all because we want to cut this completely. And now it's done. And now we want to make this support, so select this face and click on sketch, and from here select this center rectangle. From this point to anywhere in space like this, make a center rectangle. Select smart dimensioning tool. From this line to this line, specify the distance as 8. Similarly, these vertical lines, these two vertical lines, the distance between them is 8 millimeter. Sketch is fully defined now, and we just want to extrude it. And here is another trick, guys. We only want the material on the downside, the yellow colored material. So here we need to specify blind rather than mid plane. So this is blind because we want the material only on one side. So specify blind, and here specify the depth of extrusion, how much you want. 10 millimeter is fine, and check this box from here. And now this is almost done. We are only left with the fillets. I have already explained these different types of fillets in my previous tutorials. So you can specify the fillets from here, all the corners, all the edges, and here specify how much radius you want. I am specifying as 5 millimeter radius, and check this box from here. And now save this as support. Save as support. I want you to save this file because we are going to use this file in our upcoming tutorial. And here go to evaluate and select this measure and select the circumference of the internal circle just to get how much diameter we have. Here 27.4 millimeter is the diameter. Just remember it. Go to file and here open a new part, and select this front plane and click on sketch. We are going to model a shaft now. Select this circle and make a circle here, and now let's specify the diameter as 27.4 millimeter. 27.4 millimeter is because we have the same diameter there as 27.4. When assembly it will be used. So now just extrude it up to 100 millimeter and assign some appearance to it and save it as shaft. And in our upcoming tutorial we will be assembling it in the assembly file. So see you in the next video, guys.